हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 इंग्लिश के लेसन 3.2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव द एंटोनिम्स एंड सिनोनिम्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स बिलो चूजिंग फ्रॉम दोज गिवन। फर्स्ट है हैप्पीली, सिनोनिम्स जॉयफुली, एंटोनिम्स sorrowfully, ट्रेडिशनल, सिनोनिम्स ओल्ड फैशन, एंटोनिम्स मॉडर्न, halt, synonyms pause, antonyms start, triumph, synonyms victory, antonyms defeat, exotic, synonyms foreign, antonyms native, rival, synonyms competitor, antonyms partner, soar, synonyms rise, antonyms drop, brilliance, synonyms luster, antonyms dullness. Second question, say whether the following statement are true or false. First, fiberglass kites lead to creating power-driven aeroplanes. Answer false. Next, in Gujarat, the Kite Festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. Answer false. Next, Uttarayan starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. Answer true. Next, kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport cum festival. Answer true. Next, Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. Answer true. Next, the special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. Answer false. Third question, using points from the lesson, give the details of the following in a short paragraph for each topic. First है different types of kites. Answer, the kite flying festival that is celebrated in Gujarat invites participation on a huge scale. A variety of kites are seen flying in the sky. Traditionally, kites were made with kite paper and wooden frames. In modern times, with the invention of motorized kites and fiberglass kites, the options available to the kite flyer are abundant. Exotic kites are used by international kite flyers. Kites of various shapes like eagle shapes and illuminated box kites are also available. They are available in different shapes, vibrant colors, and innumerable size so that the buyers can have his pick. नेक्स्ट है इंटरनेशनल काइट फेस्टिवल एट अहमदाबाद. आंसर, the International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It takes place on the same day as Makar Sankranti and is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. Kite flyers from all over the globe participate in the kite festivals and bring with them kites of all shapes and sizes. Kites in the shape of eagles, snakes, and other animals can be seen soaring into the skies during this festival. This kite flyer also competes with the local champion, and the spectators get to see the little Indian paper kite compete with those from Japan, UK, USA, and other countries. The Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad is kept open 24 hours a day for a whole week and is crowded with people even in the middle of the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skills and preparation of special thread. नेक्स्ट है द काइट बाजार ऑफ अहमदाबाद. आंसर, the Kite Bazaar or Patang Bazaar of Ahmedabad is one of the main highlights of the kite flying festival. This bazaar is open 24 hours a day for an entire week during Makar Sankranti. People who visit the bazaar at night get to see the city's obsession with kites. The streets of bazaar are crowded with customers wanting to buy their stocks and bargaining with the vendors through the night. Fourth question, you have just written after your first experience of the Kite Festival in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. You were thrilled with the festivities. Write a short report about the Kite Festival for your local newspaper. Give an attractive headline, a deadline, or an account of the Kite Festive. Write the report in third person with more use of passive voice. Answer, The Flight of Colors by student reporter. The Kite Festival of Gujarat was a sight to behold. The gathering of people, the brilliance of the colorful kites, the foxy music, and the delicious delicacies were all the factors that made the festival a success. The Kite Festival is celebrated on Makar Sankranti each year, which also marks the beginning of Uttarayan. Businesses are shut down for a couple of days so that the festival can be enjoyed by the people wholeheartedly. Kites can be seen flying high right from dawn till dusk. People entered into friendly competition and spent the day trying to cut each other kites. The Gujarat State Tourism Corporation also organizes the International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad each year, which attracts participants from around the world. The local compete with the international participant and their kites, which are shaped like eagles and snakes. The event is viewed by countless spectators, mesmerized by the dance of the colorful kites. Finally, at dusk, lighted box kites called tukals are launched into the sky, bringing an illuminated end to the colorful festival. Next question. You have a friend who lives abroad. Write a letter to your friend describing how you enjoyed the kite festival. Answer. Dear Summer, I hope you are well. How was your first Christmas in the new country? Recently, I went to Gujarat with my family and got to see the kite festival that is celebrated there. It is a wonderful event where people gather in large groups on their terrace or rooftop and fly kites throughout the day. I celebrated the festival with my father's friend's family, though I didn't know how to fly a kite. Rashri, my new friend, was kind enough to teach me. I never knew that the thread attached to the kite would be so sharp. I almost cut my finger. She even helped me compose a song for my kite. We then ate all the delicious traditional dishes made by her mother. Later, we went to the Sabarmati river front to look at the innumerable kites being flown by the participants of the International Kite Festival. Kites shaped like animals, emoticons, water creatures, birds, toys, etc. filled the sky. I could not take my eyes off them. We ended our day with launching lit up box kites into the sky. I hope you and I can sometime visit Gujarat during the Kite Festival. It would be great to have you share that experience with me. Take care, your loving friend Adiraj. Next question. Underline the verb form in the following sentences and state their tense and aspect. First है, they are waiting for the wind. Verb form are waiting, tense present, aspect progressive continuous. Next, people were haggling over the price of kites. Verb form were haggling, tense past, aspect progressive continuous. Next, vendors had been selling kites all through the week. Verb form had been selling, tense past, aspect perfect progressive continuous. Next, skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. Verb form had demonstrated, tense past, aspect perfect. Next, State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. Verb form will be organizing, tense future, aspect progressive continuous. Next, kite flyers have demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. Verb form have demonstrated, tense present, aspect perfect. स्टूडेंट यहाँ हमारा लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया है. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.